yesterday, July the 20th, 2012, the panel received a letter from the chief negotiator of the government of the Republic of South Sudan, Mr. Pagana Moon, in which he laid a complaint that the Sudan Armed Forces South had attacked SPLA units in the South Sudan state of Northern Bahr el Ghazal. Today, July the 21st, the panel received the response of the Minister of Defense of Sudan, General Abdurrahim Hussein, who also made a verbal presentation in which he denied that the South had attacked SPLA positions. He stated that the South had attacked the column of the Darfur Jem rebels within the territory of Sudan. The AUHIP has informed the parties that it will immediately take steps to establish the truth concerning the matters referred to above. The panel further reminded the parties of their commitment to end all hostilities between the countries and to solve all the outstanding matters through peaceful means exclusively. The parties confirmed their determination to honor these commitments. The parties also agreed to continue their negotiations without interruption, bearing in mind that, as confirmed by the AUPSC roadmap and the UN Security Council Resolution 2046, they meet under the auspices of the African Union High-Level Implementation Panel. You will know that tomorrow the panel will move from here in Bahir Dar to continue with the negotiations in Addis, and from tomorrow morning and evening the parties will congregate in Addis Ababa, and they will continue the negotiations. So the position at the moment is that the panel is looking into these allegations, but that the talks will continue with the panel continuing to play the role of the facilitator, going to establish the facts relating to the allegations that have been made in the light of the fact that the government of South Sudan has made an allegation and the government of Sudan has given a different version of the events. What the panel is going to do, in consultation and cooperation with the United Nations and some of our international partners and other partners, is to try to obtain information, verifiable information about what has happened. And of course the panel will welcome information from the parties themselves, which they feel will be able to assist the panel in establishing exactly what happened. After the panel has received this information, it will relay its findings to both parties, and that is when any action might be taken or considered after the war.